First of all, I think we have the clearance so I can take off my mask. But this mask is a safety item. But also, it reminds me that the safety mask reminds me that you can learn a lot more with your eyes open and your ears open and your mouth closed. But I wished we didn't have this virus. It is a problem. But I miss all the families that have come here to visit with me. It's been so many years that I just can't remember how far back it's been. To see you come on up with your smiling faces, and some people with long lists, and you manage to cut it down to a few, which is great. But the most of all I miss is the smiles on your faces, the hugs that I receive, and I sure miss it. And I hope we can get over this virus. It would be wonderful to meet with you again. Write letters to Santa. Write letters to your friends. And most of all, tell your parents that you love them and that you love your family. Don't think of gifts and things like this, but give of yourself to help your family, one another. Now, one little item that you could do is kind of make up a blank check and put 2 and put your dad's name there to help wash the car or to help pick up our things and this. And to mother, help do the dishes, help clean up the front room or something like that. And you give her a stack of those, and then once she feels tired, she may say, I don't want to do the dishes tonight. Oh, I got one of these. And give it to you, and then you stop whatever you're doing, and you take care of the dishes. And those are wonderful gifts because you're helping out your parents. And also you can help out other people that way by sharing what you have with what you have. Now, some people say they like to see me with my hat on. How's that? Well, I'm lucky. I got a good workforce that helps me. It takes care of it. In fact, once in a while they let me out. And during Christmas time, one time I came and went into a store, some ordinary clothes, and a woman came up to me and says, you're supposed to be back up there making toys. I says, no, they let me get out for rest once in a while. Well, you're not supposed to, you got to be back up there. And then I looked her straight in the eye and I says, well, the real reason is I come down here to see if people really deserve a Christmas. And with that she says, okay. Well, drawing pictures, writing letters. Well, another thing is these little kind of cards with little jokes on them, little stories on them. Send those and start a fan club of sending those back and forth.